So how to change the name on your Wizz Air flight. So to go ahead and change the name on your Wizz Air booking, it's fairly straightforward and you can do this on the Wizz Air app. So if you need a link to download it, I'll leave a link below in the description for both Apple and Android. But once you're on the Wizz Air app, just make sure you're signed in, and once you're signed in, you should come across this page here, and right where the arrow is pointing on screen, you should see your upcoming flight details. So as you can see in our example, we've got a flight from London Luton to Budapest. So to go ahead and change any details about this flight, you'll just want to go ahead and select it. Then once you've selected it, it'll bring you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to select more right at the top here. Then once you've selected more, you'll then want to select name change. Then once you've done that, it'll bring you through to this page here, which will display all the names on your flight booking. So to go ahead and change one, you'll just want to select it. Then from there, you'll then get the option to change the first name, last name, and gender. So just go ahead and make the changes to the new name. And then once you're happy with the name change, you can press validate at the bottom. Now keep in mind, name changes will likely be subject to a fee. So as you can see here, the fee is £62.65 per flight. So you'll times that by 2 on a return flight. So if you're happy with that, click continue. And then from there, select change name from passenger, and you'll then get the option to go ahead and pay for your name change. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.